We are back, YouTube. What's good, people? What's good? What it do? We back on another motherfucking mission. Today, we about to go to Mexico to go get some illegal ass fireworks. You heard it, Mexico, Nuevo. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this motherfucking video, turn your post notifications on. We trying to go hard this summer. We trying to get y'all up and loaded into some content. We're gonna be doing a bunch of random ass shit. Comment down below things you want me to try, see me do. I ain't doing nothing outlandish, but we gonna be doing a bunch of shit. That's your light on, man?
Let me do my hair. Hold on.
hold on.
You already started? Come on.
Hold on. Yeah, motherfucker finna be running all day.
This nigga's really flying.
I ain't think I was gonna fly. I ain't think I was gonna fly. I'm in this bitch. Let me show you. All girls need this. Come with your hand sanitizer, right? Keep your bitches clean. The pepper spray to get the weird niggas off ya. Yeah. We got that motherfucker to poke that bitch. And then we got that motherfucker. That shit don't work, but it's an alarm. You dig? Oh wait, you gotta pull this bitch out and. Hop in my car, This is the numbers I'm trying to see all the time. 29. So we made it to motherfucking Mexico, Nuevo. We here to get some motherfucking fireworks. Look, show them where we at. We at the border. That bitch don't zoom, but you can see it. Yeah, we about to go up in this motherfucker, see what they got, cause you know we about to blow up the neighborhood. Come on, let's get up. We looking for the big bitches today. We looking for that big bitches. We gonna need a cart. We for sure gonna need a cart, but let's look around. Let's look around before we start picking. Y'all let me know what y'all think y'all like in the comments. Let me know, like, if y'all was gonna get any of these fireworks, comment down below which one.
How many shots?
We bringing these motherfuckers. It ain't 100, but it's 82. It ain't 100, but it's 82. Yeah, I'm at, okay, yeah, come here. Come here. So I need the biggest, the best, the loudest fireworks. I'm talking about the shit that set off car alarms. Yeah.
Probably any of those.
Okay, so all the back rows?
Yeah. Or like the Godfather.
Okay.
Have you guys seen that over there?
Show me.
The Godfather.
The Godfather.
It's right there.
Oh, what the f?
I think I know what that means. That's one of those sentence enhancers.
This is like the biggest arrangement we have. Because it basically has everything that
you could get, like the best of the best.
Yeah.
Damn, okay. We gonna need a cart. Okay, so she said the Godfather is the best. But for $1,000, they got me fucked up. And this bitch is definitely not fitting in no motherfucking Honda Accord. So we gonna pass on this bitch. We going to the other one. If you had to name a firework, what the fuck would it be? I'd probably call my shit Sir Blast a lot. So look, these motherfuckers right here, I guess that's what it do. But you gotta load these up one by one, and I ain't gonna do that. I'm trying to shoot them all at once. So we probably gonna have to get into our handy manny bag and create like a mortar launcher. Cause I'm gonna show y'all how to make sure y'all buying the right fireworks now. You just can't be buying anything now. Come on now. You spending your hard-earned money on some fireworks, you gotta do it like this. So let me show you. You go up to that bitch like, yes sir, and then you got your preview right here like, yes sir. That shit sounded like gunshots. That might have to be a cop. You see what we did. We got a whole assortment of things, you know. You gotta go balls to the wall anytime you buy fireworks, so you gotta get the best of the best.
You guys doing okay?
Oh yeah, we doing great. Yeah, so 1,000 grams, and we ain't talking about no tree. It's 1,000 grams of fireworks. So you know what that means? We about to blow shit up, and don't sleep. You see underneath. We ain't playing. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate you. Alright, y'all, so we finna prank my nigga Teddy. Since this nigga didn't wanna make the trip with us, we gonna get his dumb ass, and that's what you get for not coming with us. You gotta have fun trips with your guys, man. Come on out, have fun with the guys. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all when we set this shit up. We gonna get his ass right now. Yeah. Hey, nigga.
What up, nigga?
Are you at home? Where you at?
Not at home.
When you finna be home? How long is a little bit, nigga?
Why you asking questions, blood? You live like 4 houses down, nigga.
I'm just asking questions, nigga. You don't want your shit?
Get that when I get that. You heard me?
Nah, nigga, you need to get that right now.
Spill something.
What you mean spill something? Well, shit, I'm trying to spill something if you get up on, if you go home.
Bro, I'm going to your house.
Bro, why aren't you going home?
Nigga, I'm put up right now, you hear me?
Bro, tell me when you're home so we could drop off these packages. Where are you? Are you on Stella?
Bro, no, stop asking questions, you the police.
Hell no. Alright, y'all, so we gonna unload these fireworks while we wait for this whole ass nigga to get home. Y'all hear him, but we gonna get his ass. Just believe that. We ain't letting him slide. We can't let him slide today. So we gonna check back in when everything gets set up, and we gonna get his ass right now. So that nigga Teddy was lagging for the past week, but we on his ass today. So we about to drive up to his crib right now. He don't know what I'm about to do, but we gonna hit his ass with all of these. I'm gonna be like, yo, fireworks here, come outside. And then when you come around that corner,
Don't get shot.
got that nigga scared, huh?
Give me the fuck off camera.
All right, y'all. So we been lighting these bitches off, but we about to show y'all the final destination one.
Those explosives to their final destinations.
I'm telling you, this shit finna go up. We got the best two coming up last. We've been lighting that shit.
Come on.
You got that shit? This one?
You're stepping on my foot.
Like I said, we gonna light these two first.
All right, let's get it, nigga.
Wanna see? Is it going?
Let's go.
Oh yeah! 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 Oh, that shit going crazy! Oh, that shit going crazy! Oh my God! That bitch go crazy. Keep recording that motherfucker. Keep that bitch rolling. That shit go crazy.
Last one, real shit.
That bitch go crazy.
That bitch brought
Hold up. I need a. Who got a key?
Damn, you gotta bust that
Big
bit down. That was probably the best
That bitch
one.
was tough. Yeah, I would get
That
like.
shit
Which one was that one? Y'all know which one that was on?
It was crazy.
That
I don't
one.
even know the names of the ones y'all busted.
I didn't know what supposed to do.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. What is this?
You gotta let that off at the same time.
You gotta take
I think this is where the.
Oh, it's two of them.
Here's the fuse right here.
Yeah, that is. I didn't say grab that motherfucker.
Yeah, this bitch gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
You think which one you want to grab? I was gonna say you want to get two or one.
All three.
I was gonna say, but you gotta try and light two. That one's kind of far.
I got a sprint.
I can do it.
You sure?
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Nah.
I was gonna say, they ain't got no lighters or no flame over there. They're just watching. That shit lame.
That shit.
Got one?
Out of the bitch and these niggas. Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
Black cat,
All right,
black
let's go.
rifle, black cats.
Here, give one to Tyree.
I was gonna say here.
Oh,
you
you
wanna
give me
get
the
down
red
to
one,
three, though?
you flip flopping down there.
All right, you ready?
3, 2,
Hold up.
1.
Oh shit! Bitch, that motherfucker at? Ow! That bitch about to explode. Oh, that shit litty.
Oh, shit. those sticks at?
Right here.
Perfect. One. Perfect.
Like I say, you know how to light that? I got you.
Yeah, wait, hold on. Let me put my phone down.
Wizard of Waverly Place.
Harry Potter!
Of Oz. You are a
Harry Potter! Wingardium Leviosa! Oh my God, that's all!
That nigga almost shot me. Luckily, I'm fast.
He got that matrix reflex.
I literally got that on camera. Watch out!
Water break.
Water break. Niggas ain't fucking with us with that fireworks shit. Y'all niggas need to come with us on gang. See, we lighting shit on fire. Who else do this except for? Yeah. Should I say more?
They're gonna compliment us.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, they gonna talk about it.
I'm fucking dead.
No applause. No applause. No clap. No fucking nothing.
Camry, nigga.
She's a box burn.
That bitch is burning.
I ain't gonna lie, we did crazy. We went crazy on
We
that.
did. Those are nice. I like those.
I ain't gonna lie. When
Yeah.
next year,
Later, Mom.
I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. What you mean, what? Huh? You ain't see the whole thing? Oh man, see, no, I was gonna say
screaming.
next year we'll do better. Yeah, they all gone.
Is there more water?
Yeah. He lit his too.
We lit! On Jackie, we lit! I need one more water because that one's still on
Nice.
Love you.
Love you.
fire. You too!
I smoked too many moonrock content.
Here, they're the last one. They barely got anything in that motherfucker.
Oh shit.
Here, hold this motherfucker. Hold this motherfucker. Hold it. Open your phone. Hold on, I gotta see the light.
You want me to get the video?
I just need the
He's
light.
gonna see it. He's gonna see.
Damn, that's the last one?
Yeah,
Drink that bitch light.
Water in the truck.
It's the last one, Kyle. What is that? What the fuck out like that?
My toe!
I'm trying to get you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
He said, I know you got one more. For you. Give it to him.
We look like we up to no good.
We are up to no good.